Thanks for watching this short helpful video for SharePoint 2016 Oregon.gov sites. This video demonstrates preparing and working with an image for use on an Oregon.gov web page. The goal here is to make sure that the pictures we use on the web pages are worth 1,000 words and cost just as little in digital bandwidth. There are several free online image crunchers that will accept an uploaded image and then crunch it down to a useful size for your purpose. Be sure to talk with your IT or network folks before using any online service. Mention of a service here does not indicate any support or endorsement for that service by an agency or the Oregon government program. They are only used of examples of what is available. Find a crunching service that you trust and can get permission to use, and follow the instructions provided by the service. In some cases, all you have to do is drag your image over the web page and drop it in the box indicated. In others, there's a more formal upload and compression selection process. There are many services out there like this, where at no charge, the application will compress your image as much as it can without degrading viewability. These services can only do so much, so while a little compression is better than none, we can do better. While there are a few Mac users out there, most of us use Windows machines, therefore have Microsoft Office Picture Manager available to us. In older versions of Microsoft Office, Office 2010 and prior, Microsoft Office Picture Manager was included in the install. Even though it is no longer included in modern versions of Office, this application will still work on Windows machines and is a reliable and easy way to reduce and compress images in 3 steps and doesn't cost you or the agency anything. A link to instructions for downloading Picture Manager are included in the description of this video session. To reduce an image using Picture Manager, browse to the image on your machine and open the image with Microsoft Office. When the image is open, choose Edit Pictures. In the right-hand menu, choose Crop. Crop the image to focus it on the desired content. The crop can be totally customized, or it can use a standard aspect ratio or height to width ratio. I'm choosing a ratio of 3:5, where if the image were 3 inches tall, it would be 5 inches wide. The ratio remains the same whether using inches, centimeters, pixels, or miles. Now choosing the area of the picture I want to preserve. When the crop is done, click OK. Now re-enter the right menu by clicking the downward arrow and choose Resize. Notice that after cropping, the size of this image is 2,319 pixels wide and 1,390 pixels tall. This is entirely too large to put in a content area on a web page. This image should be more like 200 pixels wide. So let's set the overall size of the image to 10% of what it is now. And since it seems reasonable at 232 pixels wide, I'm going to click OK to make that change. The final step is to reduce the memory footprint of the image, or compress it. Activating the right-hand menu again, choose Compress Pictures. 4 options are offered: no compression, documents or print, web pages, which are optimized for display but not transport, and email. This is the smallest version of a picture and may not be suitable for public viewing. By choosing each of these, you can see the effect the change has on the memory footprint of the image. For our purposes, choose Web Pages. This image was reduced from 630K to under 25K. That's more than a 95% reduction and will definitely provide a better experience for visitors on your web page. Save the image to your pictures library on your machine and we'll use it later. If you're a Mac user, then Image Optum online or something like it, and iPhoto, which is a local install, will do the job for you. You now have all the information you need to prepare images for use on an Oregon.gov page. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have questions, be sure to contact the Oregon Government Help Desk at egovhelp@oregon.gov.